How to enable swipe down for notification panel feature on a Samsung S24 Ultra and another Samsung device. By default, disable this feature. So when you swipe down from the middle or bottom of the screen, you can see the app drawer on a device. If you want to show notification panel, you need to swipe down from your top of the screen by default on your device. If you want to access this notification from anywhere on your home screen, enable this feature. To enable it, tap and hold the blank space on your home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you can find the option, scroll down and you can find the option swipe down for a notification panel. Open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. So toggle on this option. Now go to home screen and from anywhere just swipe down and you can see the notification on your device. So it's quite helpful feature to quickly access notification from anywhere on the home screen like this. Just swipe down. If you don't want to use, again go to settings, scroll down, toggle off, swipe down for notification panel. Now if you want to swipe down, you can see the app drawer. To view the notification, you need to swipe down from the top of your screen like this. That's it. If you like it, share it.